One of the most important thing in technical analysis is understanding of the market structure, and the thing which is happening right now, a temporary upside move, and this is what I have also shared in my channel 2 days ago, and this video is an updated video. So I will be talking about things which is happening and what are the price levels where we will, or this BTC will get a resistance, and where we have the support. I'll start with a quick disclaimer. Anything which I will be talking about in this video is my own ways to do the analysis using my own custom script indicators, and I'm sharing for only for educational and information purposes only, nothing more than that. So let's start with the analysis. So here I have my own custom scripts. Okay, one of the script is this thing, and currently in this 1 hour time frame, what this script is indicating here in this specific section is it started with this lower time frame or current time frame green signal, and then this is the higher time frame 240 higher time frame signal. When it appears in, it happens with all the other time frames also. So this due to this this is the current temporary upside move which is we are observing. And just to make things clear a little bit more, we were in a downtrend, a complete sort of a good and proper downtrend, and if market has to change or make its move for the upside after the downtrend, it has to change its structure. So this is what we have in a 1 hour time frame. If I go take a look with the 15-minute time frame, that's the similar thing. So here this is right now higher time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, I have two time frame information, the signal. This is the current time frame and this is the higher time frame 1 hour. So similar to this thing, this is what we have in a 1 hour time frame, and this activity which is already going on, and this thing here okay. So like I said, after a certain period of a downfall, the market has to change its structure for the upside move. So in this 15-minute time frame, the change of the structure happens in this section here. If I keep this here and then keep it like this and go to this 1 hour time frame, during this time the 4 hour is against this upside move, but eventually I'm going to close this replay here. Eventually what happened was the 4 hours also supports the upside move for the time being, I would say. And this is what is happening in a 1 hour change in market structure. 15-minute structure change somewhere here, 1 hour it changed here, and now in the 4 hour time frame, let's go back to the 4 hour, it is pending with this level, this price level. The level is 89,000 level. Currently this daily higher time frame is here. Once the price close above this level, then similar to the 1 hour time frame which we can see here, this thing, we will see this similar sort of an activity here. Once prices go from here up until this price level and closes above this level and started trading and remain above this level, then only we have another shift or change in market structure in 4 hour time frame. And since we are in a 1 hour, currently the activity which is happening, the upside is happening in the 1 hour time frame, and each time frame has its own weight. So what I mean by that is, the higher the time frame, the higher the activity or strength towards the upside. So what's pending is right now with this 4 hour change. Once price started trading here, then we will have another confirmation, another signal which indicates the market change its structure in 4 hour also. So there are other things which we have to keep in our mind, especially with this script which I am sharing. As long as price is trading above this, starting with this level, this one, then we still have the confirmation for the upside. This is the first indication. Once price go below this level, then the structure, we will say, or we can assume the structure has been changed or the structure has been broken. So this is one thing. And other ways where my analysis comes into the picture is this zone, these zones. I have each time frame has its zones. So in this 4-hour time frame, prices took a support of this specific zone. Here we can see prices took support here inside, you know, this zone, and then we get some sort of a resistance. The BTC is getting some sort of a not resistance, support here in this upper level. And in this zone, let me just point out one thing, important thing. There are 3 things which are important with this zone: upper level, the lower level, and the zone itself. When price, you know, started, or even let's start with from the downside, when if price has to go for the upside, the first thing price needs to do is to break the lower level, this lower level. And during this you know, price, while trying to break this level, it is, you know, it's going to act as a resistance, and this is the initial resistance, we can say. And this is what is happening right now. And currently this is the 4-hour time frame zone, but we are here. And if we go take a look with the daily time frame, the resistance, the reason for getting the resistance of BTC getting a resistance is because of this this daily zone, this which I've just added from this daily to 4-hour. And this is what is all about the multi-time frame. So what is happening is, as long as price trading above this lower level in the daily zone, we can assume that the price has support here. You know, price in this particular section here, the price is trying to break the lower level. While trying to break the level, the lower level, price is also getting a support. You know, however, in this candle, in this red candle, this is acting as a resistance. So currently in the 4-hour time frame, the main thing which you know, BTC getting resistance is because of the daily resistance zone. Once price closes above, and this thing what I have mentioned about the structure, change in market structure, it is nearby or slightly same as where the upper level of the daily zone. And once price closes above, first thing we have is this green indication already with the 4-hour. Once price closes above this level, then that's the indication about, you know, changing the market structure with the, you know, in this 4-hour time frame also. So currently what we have as a support is this level, this lower level, with the BTC has this as a support. By any chance, if price break this level, or, you know, price started trading down from this lower level, that's the negative indication, and then that will eventually leads the prices go down, take some support. I think starting with this 4-hour support zone, price will, like similar to this where we were getting some sort of a support here. Let me delete this. So here we were getting some sort of a support. If price, you know, go for the downside, which we kind of expected because of the, you know, the pressure from the selling pressure, but as long as price trade above this lower level, we can still expect the prices go for the upside move. So let's talk about the support here, and then we can talk about further resistance other than this ongoing daily resistance. So in the, if I go well, I think I don't have a 1-hour zone, because main thing I deal with is 4-hour. So in the 4-hour time frame, the main thing or the starting support the BTC has is this level. This is the main support level, and as long as price keep on trading above this upper level, we can assume price will go for attempt, you know, another attempt to break this level. If price is, you know, price won't be able to break this during this time, but I'm expecting the price will go for from here already. But this is what we have as a main support. So, and another support we have is this daily support itself, this daily, which I have marked it in the daily itself, and then I, you know, added here in the 4-hour. So if by any chance this price break this level also, then this will act as a support. as long as price trades above this upper level. The only case this everything, entire thing for the upside move is it will be invalidate is when price started trading here after the fall. But I think what's going to happen is price will consolidate here during this phase for the temporary upside move. This is what I have shared in this video. And another level which I'm expecting for this BTC to go for is 65,000 level, which I think we will going to expect that level after a certain month, maybe 1 or 2 months it will take somewhere. So prior to that, before that, the price has to go for some sort of a upside move, and this only happens with some sort of a initial consolidation, and then after the consolidation, price here will break this resistance. This is a higher time frame in the 4 hour, so this is where currently price is getting a resistance. Once price break this level, then this is the another resistance the price has, the BTC has in the 4 hour time frame, and most likely price will break this level also, but eventually. But I'm just talking the resistance which price currently the BTC has. BTC already has this daily resistance zone, and then the next one is we have this as an 4 hour time frame zone itself. Here in the daily time frame, this is the main level the BTC has to break. And this 65,000 level which I'm talking and I have shared, I think that's going to happen once price go for after breaking this zone, this daily zone, and then going up until this price level here, then the BTC will get some sort of a major resistance here, and then this resistance leads the next phase of the downtrend. From here the next selling pressure will begin, and during the selling pressure the price will get support here. In initial support supposed to be the BTC will get is here, and if the price break this level, then we have the next support. So for the time being, I would say up until I think for the entire next month, and for next coming 2 weeks, we in 12 days, the price will go to touch this level, this 95 or 97,000 level. That's what I'm expecting with the BTC for the time being. But up until that, starting with this phase where this is already happening, market structure which is changed here in the 1 hour, it's pending right now with this 4 hour, which I have explained here. Once price started trading here after breaking this level, and then this green signal, this on current red signal will turn here as in green once price break this level. And then after we will see some sort of a consolidation maybe, and try then another some sort of a downward pressure. But as I've said, we have some support. As long as price gets support here in these section these one and this one, then price will reattempt to this 95 and 97,000 level most likely, and this is what we have with the BTC right now. So main thing, it's in the consolidation. It's in a consolidation inside the daily resistance zone, and once price successfully break the resistance of this daily zone, then it will get another resistance here with this 4 hour. So yeah, that's all I have for now. And if you are interested with the daily update, not even daily but the major sort of an update, you can subscribe this channel and you can click the notification for up to date, to keep yourself up to date with the things which BTC possibly can do, or maybe we can expect with the BTC. And this is all about my analysis is all about direction clarity through multi-time frame. This is what I've been trying to share, taking some of the similar to this daily in the 4 hour, and then we have better clarity for the direction. So yeah, for that you can subscribe and click the notification, and you can also follow me in the X. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this content. If you were watching, appreciate for your time, and yeah, bye bye for now. Take care. And well, disclaimer again, okay, the things which I've been sharing is I have my own ways to do the analysis, and like I said, I have my own script, and you should be doing your own research and analysis for your trade decisions. So I'm just sharing for educational and information purposes only, nothing more than that. Please keep that in mind, and thank you so much for watching again. Bye bye for now, take care.